Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. Just before I start this video, I want to say that there will be no whip and chat today. It has been replaced by a reship package. Yes, all the way down from my locker in Milton Keynes. Now this was, with reship, I get an email when there's a package in my unit, and then I look at it, because when you send to reship, they will show you what's in the package before you send. I can't control that, which is why I say don't gift wrap it. And inside here is, I think it's a teddy bear and a Halloween painting, if I'm correct. I don't know who it's from. I don't know if Reship have chucked away the packing slip or what. But wherever it's from, thank you very much. It is here and it's come all the way down from Reship. So, yeah, wow. Now, obviously, I do have a wish list. But I also allow reship for some people that want to buy me things that perhaps are not diamond paintings, or perhaps you want to send me something else that's diamond painting, but maybe it's not on the wish list, you know? So, yeah, let's get into this very carefully. As you can see, it has been retaped back up because I can't control that. That's their policy. Customs have to open it because it's anything that's sort of like dangerous, they won't accept, and they'll just dispose of it. So, let me just check what that is. I don't know what that is. Right, some sort of return at sale of goods. Yeah, so as you can see, it does actually say there, may be opened officially, customs documents to be validated, and I have to do all the customs paperwork. So yeah, as I said, it's not me that opens it, it's the company. So yeah, so that's free ship for you. So let's get in here, and we have, oh, there's a card. Okay, I can feel a card. I didn't see a card in there. Okay, I'm getting into the card. There is a card in here. They're naughty. Reship didn't show me that. There's a card, and that's been opened as well. Okay, interesting. Well, who's it going to be? You're such a sunbeam. Ooh, okay. Who's this from then? Oh, wow. Hi, Mike. I accidentally ordered some duplicates from Temu. Not sure if they are... to your tastes. Yeah, to your tastes. If not, maybe you can give us a giveaway. I love watching your channel, Tiger Lily Bex. Ah, it says from Tiger Lily. Thank you, Tiger Lily. As I said, with the photos that I got sent, there wasn't any cards showing, so that's quite surprised me. Thank you very much, Tiger Lily. Let's see what we got in here. I know what one of them is. And one of them, let's get, please be Jack Skeleton. No, it's the teddy bear first, never mind. I certainly won't chuck these away, because from the photos I've seen, they are ones that I've not got. So that is lovely of you. Thank you very much, Tiger Lily. And I'm grateful for the compliment about my channel. So, oh, look at this. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Lots of pink. You got that spot on, Tiger Lily. Thank you. Every time I think of your name... Oh! Every time I think of your name, I think of Tiger Lily from Peter Pan. It's just a lovely name. And look at that. Oh, baby. Yes, look at that. 30 times 30. Beautiful colours. Lots of pink. And the little bear is holding a little flower. So cute. It's like, are you going to be my Valentine's? You know, for Valentine's Day. Maybe that is actually a Valentine's Day painting. 20 colours here. It's a really lovely canvas, 30 times 30. You know, you said in your card something about you order duplicates. Download the app Gems Flow, because you can catalogue and keep track of all your paintings. So that's the first one. I absolutely love that. And a nice, decent size. Lots of colour blocking in places. And, yeah, I quite like that. Thank you very much, Tiger Lily. So we've also got our... little boat there. I'm a bit out of breath today because I've been dealing with parcels of so we just had like 3 turn up. One's for my brother, one's for Jack, and one's for me. So yeah, right, so let's see what we've got. It's lovely, isn't it, when you get a gift not gift card, you know, a card to go, you know. And this is why I keep saying, when you send me a gift, leave a note, like, you know, leave who it's from, because I really like to know who it's from, and I like to thank the person. And also, if you leave a note, I can plug your channel, which means I can give you a big shout out, and then we'll try and get some more subs to you. So yeah, so we got the black. I can't think today. We got the white, the brown, we got the pink, we got the blue, we got the pink, we got the pink, we got the purple, we've got the purple, we've got a pink, another pink, lots of pinks actually, a lovely blue colour, and that's sort of like a baby pink. There is tons of pink in this, so actually the majority of the pack seems to be pink. And then we got a peach, a couple of greys there, 4 or 5 greys, and then a red. So looking at all this pink, look at that lot. So are we going to have enough to do the bear is what I'm intrigued about. As you can see, there is more pink than there is the bear. So I hope and pray that we've got enough to do that, because they've provided so much pink. But now for my favourite, I have to give a massive shout out to Diamond Painting Pedder for this, because if you've seen Diamond Painting Pedder's channel, she's been showing us Jack Skeleton. Now, I didn't know what Jack Skeleton was, so this is the painting. And apparently, it's from The Nightmare Before Christmas. And I thought, I've always seen that movie on there. And I thought, do you know what? I'm going to watch it. Because it looked really sort of old-fashioned animation. So I watched it, and it's a funny old film. Because it switches between Halloween and then Christmas. And then it goes back to Halloween again. So, and now I finally know who Oogie Boogie is. He gets, Jack Skeleton confronts him in the end of the scene. But, oh look, it's Jack and the ragdoll. Or what's her name? Oh, Sally, is it? You'll have to confirm. So, yeah, that's pretty cute. So, we've got, I'm going to say that her name's Sally. I could have that wrong. But we've got little Jack Skeleton here with Sally. And look, you've even got detail in the moon. Because you've got like a little stitched face there. With the nose there. And then the eye. And it looks like someone's had a bit of a bite into the biscuit, maybe. 20 times 20, 19 colours here, really lovely colour block as well. So we've got heavy on colour block, that's not going to take long to do. And then we just got a splash of colour in between. That's beautiful. Thank you very much, Tiger Lily, I appreciate that. And it's a shame it didn't come, I didn't get it out in time for Halloween, and it's been sitting in there a few days, but yeah, I've just been too busy and only just got round to getting it out. So but yeah, so that'll be for next year, I think. Really lovely one, this. And, oh, so there's our little bags. And as you can see, these are our drills. So we've got the brown, the purple, the pink, we've got a blue, we've got a green, a red, a blue. Can I just say also, thank you ever so much to everyone who has sent me a gift. And I'm very excited because I can exclusively say Petters, after a massive long wait, is finally travelling overseas as I speak. She posted it the other day after 6 weeks of waiting. Feel free to slap me, Petter, it's fine. Brown, so yeah, I can't wait to see what that is. I think that's probably a blue or a green. And then we've got a brown, a blue, a dark blue, another blue, a green, peach colour, a green, a blue, a pink, a purple and a red. So yeah, that's them. And obviously your standard little boat again, so no bags in that one, so fantastic stuff. So a huge thank you to Tiger Lily Bex, who very kindly sent me these, because it says here that she got a few duplicates. I can assure you I will not be doing that as a giveaway, because that's a gift, and gifts mean a lot to me. So yeah, they will firmly be done. I'm thinking like a black frame for this, because you've got so much pink. I think black would like bring it out a bit. But yeah, considering, I mean, we've been speaking about Jack Skeleton, and then you just chucked that in the bag. I thought that was just brilliant. And when I looked at the photos, because when Wishlist send me an email, they will show me the photos of what's inside the package. And I thought, oh my God, that is so Jack Skeleton. And we've been speaking about that over the last sort of whip and chats and stuff. So yeah, huge thank you to Tiger Lily Bex down there. For this lovely thing that will go on my wall of fame, with, well, it's not really a wall of fame, but a wall of supporters. So that will sit very nicely with Tida's card on the wall. And yeah, so a huge thank you to Tiger Lily Bex. Once again, if you would like to send me a gift for my Amazon wishlist, the birthday wishlist has now been discontinued because my birthday is gone. So I got loads of it. You're not going to believe what I got in diamond painting, and I'll keep that. That will be coming up very soon. I only got one diamond painting thing, but oh my god, like, you're not going to believe this. No, actually two. So yeah, you'll see that in a birthday unboxing. But the Amazon wishlist there for Christmas, and also my main diamond painting wishlist is there if you fancy buying me a gift. As I said, you're not obligated to, but I know lots of you like to send me gifts. If you want to send me a gift that is not perhaps diamond painting related, or it's a diamond painting that's not on my wishlist and you think that I would like it, then you can also send to my Milton Keynes depot, or you can send it to my Canadian one or my USA one, because I have a USA locker in Portland, Oregon. I have one in Canada, which I very rarely use because I don't get an awful lot of people watch my channel from Canada. And then I have the Milton Keynes one. So yeah, thank you ever so much, Tiger Lily Bex. And yeah, that's that. Whip and Chat will resume as normal from Wednesday. No, as normal from Thursday, sorry. And we have got a really good bonfire night sort of November sort of theme happening from Thursday onwards. There will be another whip and... I can't bloody think. Slow down, Mike. I'm trying to say it too quick. So there will be a... I can't think. Wednesday you'll get another unboxing, and then Thursday we're going to bring in the November theme. Obviously I wanted to take a few days off from filming to celebrate like bonfire night and stuff, but we are back in full swing and lots of exciting projects coming up very soon. So please remember to like, share, subscribe. A huge thank you to Tiger Lily Bex. Tiger Lily doesn't... I think she has a channel, yeah. So I'll put a channel in the description. And obviously, I'll try and source these through Temu, the links, so that you guys can buy them. But until then, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing, or tapping that notification bell, and you will never miss a video when it uploads. So until then, take care. Bye-bye.